Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girly. So today's video is going to be a Temu haul. So I'm officially a Temu partner. Shout out to them for reaching out and making me an official partner, because clearly they can see that I am addicted to their app. So they sent me a fat package full of clothing, and we're going to go through it today and check it out and see what we got. They have clothing, they have pet items, they have home goods, they have kitchenware, baby stuff, like literally everything on their website. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got in this package. So if you guys are interested in seeing some really cute stuff for an affordable price, then keep watching today's haul. Shout out to everybody that watches these haul videos, because these are literally like the only thing that I could film right now because I am completely out of breath. Like if you didn't know, I'm 8 months pregnant, so I am literally like out of breath after doing anything. So thank you to everybody that watches these haul videos. Regular content coming soon. So as you guys know, like I said, I am 8 months pregnant, so I'm literally about to pop. So a lot of this clothing that I picked out is for like post baby belly. I do definitely still wear clothes like this even though I am pregnant. I am not one to go and wear maternity clothing. I already told you guys that when I got pregnant, when I announced it, like we are not doing maternity clothing. I know it's comfortable, but I still gotta have my cute fashionable stuff. So you're gonna still see some cropped items. You're still gonna see some items that I guess you would say like a typical pregnant woman wouldn't wear. So the first item I got is this really cute army green knit sweatshirt or zip up. It is a crop. I'm gonna show you guys how everything fits, so don't worry, we're gonna do a try on haul. So with this, I would probably wear some like jeans that stop right underneath my belly, a little crop top, and then throw this over it. But here's how the jacket looks. Just like that by itself, and then of course you can close it, but I feel like it'll just like look weird right now because I'm wearing a long dress. And you can see it has really cute distressed details on it. So these next two items I'm about to show you real quick, I actually got them after Temu like sent me this stuff, and I got these two items because I wanted to match them with this exact hoodie. These are also available on Temu. They just didn't send it for like, you know, the sponsorship. But the first item is this beanie, and as you can see it has silver crosses going across it, so just a cute beanie. And then I also got this tan nude colored one that also has like two black crosses on it, and this is more of like a loose fit. No, I'm not gonna mess my hair up. But are these not the cutest? And I swear I have seen these from like other brands where they try to sell these things for like $200, $300 for a beanie. Yeah, I don't think so. These were both under $10 each. Thank you very much. Okay, this next item, when I saw this on their website, I was like, no way they sell stuff like this. Because like, you know, I get a bunch of cute joggers, cute two-piece sets and stuff, but like they're really stepping it up with their clothing, you guys. So this is a long sleeve, long dress, and it has a hood on it. I'm actually so excited to see how this looks. Do I not look like I'm about to be in the next Star Wars movie? I love this so much. This is so freaking cute. Now I want to go and take maternity pictures wearing this dress. And what I love the most about Temu is that everything that I have, you know, received from them or purchased with my own money has always been consistent with amazing quality, especially for how affordable the pricing is. So here is the first dress. Next up we have an accessory, and when I tell you that I saw this on the app, I got so excited. Are you serious? Like, do you see that? Do you see, you know what that is, right? It's probably not gonna fit right now. Yeah, it's not gonna fit right now. I kind of have a child in the way. I mean, maybe I could do like a little under no, I'll just wait. I'm not gonna say this is a dupe, but it's a dupe. Like, they have so much goodies right now. Like, you have to go and look, you have to go and shop. If you have a girlfriend that loves, you know, fashion, if you have a boyfriend that loves fashion, like, you need to go check out Temu. They have it all right now. Let's see what we have next. So our next item, as you can see, is a knit dress, and it is definitely a bit see-through. So I got this just in case I wouldn't be able to find it later on for summertime. So this is definitely not getting any use anytime soon unless somebody can like give me an idea of how to style this type of like knitwear during winter. Figure out how to show you this. I would throw a swimsuit underneath it, but Nyla's asleep in my room right now, and I'm not trying to go in there and like wake her up by making all this noise, because every time I try to be quiet, I'm loud. And again with the knitwear, why am I obsessed with the knitwear stuff? So here's how the top looks. I am in love. This is exactly what I wanted. So basically how I would wear this, and also for YouTube guidelines, I am wearing a top underneath this. It is nude, so don't try to mark this video as nudity or something, okay? But the way I would wear this would be with like a cami dress, like a long, like tight fitting dress, like a black one, maybe a nude colored one, maybe army green. But I just think this is so cute. You could just throw this over stuff and just like add some spice to your outfits. The next item I have is a super long Y2K styled skirt. So let's see how this fits. It might just have to rest underneath my belly for now. So it fits exactly how I would want to wear it, but as you can see, the belly is there. The belly is kind of in the way right now of, you know, how I would want the fit to be. But this is probably what I would wear together, like this top, these bottoms, maybe some like thick chunky like boots. Next I got a little heart-shaped rug. This was only a few dollars, and this is mainly just to go underneath my desk that I have like set up right here in my beauty area. So yeah, just a cute white fluffy rug. Nothing crazy, but like I said, it was only a few dollars, and I have a child that likes to go crazy with makeup, so I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on rugs just for them to get ruined. And surprise, I got the bundle pack. I got it in a gray color as well because it will probably have to be replaced very soon. Next up, we have a two-piece set. So we have the black biker shorts, and then we also have a black top to match with it as well. Like I said, just a cute loungewear outfit, or you could like obviously spice it up with like some cute sneakers, a cute hat, you know, some cute earrings, a chain or something. But this is mainly for, you know, those days when I'm not trying to do too much. I might actually wear this today because I don't really have anywhere to go. I just have to take pictures and stuff on my website. Next up, I have a hoodie, and it is a butterfly design. As you guys know, I love butterflies. In my other Temu haul, because I have like 4 packages from them, but I'm only showing you guys like half of the stuff right now. Because otherwise the video would be way too long. But I also got some other butterfly stuff from them as well. But when I saw this, I just thought it was so cute and I had to have it. So let's try this on real quick. Super comfortable. Anthony also has some like sweatshirts that we've purchased like with our own money from Temu, and it feels exactly the same. It's like very nice, thick, comfortable material, so it'll definitely keep you nice and cozy. So here is the next two-piece set. You'll definitely catch me wearing some Uggs, running to the store wearing this real quick. Super, super comfortable, even more comfortable than the last two-piece set I just had on. So I think I gotta go get this in some more colors. This will probably be the outfit that I go to the hospital with. I don't know why, it just like gives that vibe of like comfy, like just walk in with some like slides or whatever, you know, pop this baby out. But yeah, super, super cute. Love this. I don't know if they had any other colors. I'm gonna have to go and check, but I'm definitely gonna need this in like white, black, you know, the other neutral colors. Ooh, this is heavy. What is she? I already forgot. The thing with their shipping, it's actually really fast. They offer free shipping once you spend a certain amount of money, and they also have express shipping as well. So you're gonna get your items really quick, you guys. I feel like because people see like the low prices, they see the website, they assume like, oh, I'll probably get my items in like 3 weeks, a month, 2 months. No, like, you're going to get that order confirmation and it's going to ship right away. It's so fast. Oh, I forgot I got this. Wow, okay, it's heavy. But when I saw this on the website, I thought that it was probably going to be like, I don't know, not this thick and heavy. Like, this is so comfortable. Oh my goodness. And the last item I have to show you guys in today's little haul is these sweatpants again with freaking butterflies on them. Let's go ahead and throw them on real quick so we can see how they fit. Are they tall girl friendly? Are they not? We're about to find out. So I'm just gonna throw them over what I have on already right now. So this is how I wear my sweatpants. I know some people wear them like all the way up here, but girl, I don't do that anymore. But yeah, they fit pretty good. They go all the way down to my ankles. So I guess you could say they're tall girl friendly. Yeah, nice comfy pants. What else do I say? Hey y'all, I look a complete mess. It is the next day since I filmed the haul, but I just came in here and I realized that I left 3 items out of the entire video. So let me show you guys real quick what those are. So as you can see, I have my glasses on, so I'm gonna be blind when I show you this next item. But they are these super, super cute sunglasses. Look at the star detail. I think these are so freaking adorable. So let me show you guys what these look like. I literally cannot see anything now. That is how bad my eyes are. But Look how cute these sunnies are, and they're only a couple of dollars. Like, I've got several, you know, sunglasses from them from my own pocket, paid with my own wallet, and I've been very happy. That is why I don't spend a ton of money on sunglasses anymore, because, y'all, you can get literally bougied out on a budget with Temu. Next were these earrings, and these are gold with a cute little rhinestone in the front. I love dangly earrings like this. I used to only wear hoops all the time. You guys know I always have my big hoops. But now I'm into more like little dainty things. I also have my little cross earrings from Temu that you guys see me wear all the time as well. So, and the last item is this sunset lamp. I actually have another one of these, but I wanted to get one for the kids' room just because I think these are really fun. I personally don't like those star machines. I feel like those like mess with my eyes. So when it comes to like cute lighting and stuff, I like to keep it more simple. Look how cute this is. So you turn this little guy on the top of his head, and that's how you change the colors. Let me turn this off so you guys can see. But it basically puts like a different color on the wall. Isn't that cool? If you guys liked anything that I showed you, I'll have all the links down below. I should have also put all of the prices on the screen as well, so you can see how much everything cost. For what you were getting, super affordable. Love Temu. I'm officially a partner with them now, so you guys are going to see a lot of hauls from them on my channel possibly in the future. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Like I said, they're having a 90% off sale for Valentine's Day. Take advantage of that, as well as using my code that is right here to get an additional 30% off. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.